was saying that, at some point you'll basically be adding zero. You won't be adding anything. But there was this, for example, repeated addition is multiplication. You keep adding zero. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. If you add 0 infinite times, so what's in 0 or 0 times infinity is at 0. The concept of 0, the concept of nothing. I met this one person from another continent. And he said, that was conceptually, you can have 0. You can have no cows, 1 cow, 2 cow. But negatives, negative cows, math. What's the math? What's today's mathematics? And then the other concept, like the exponents are kind of difficult or weird. Exponentially. 1 to the infinite power. Then we used to have like the concept of dividing 0 divided by 0. Can you divide that? But it was like essentially there was this one part of finding a hole in a graph in calculus. So for example, and so you got x plus 4 divided by this quantity x plus 4 times x plus 2. Well, the x plus 4s would divide out, and there's a hole in the graph at x equals negative 4. But that was like, you're basically dividing by 0. 0 divided by 0. So how could you do it? And what happens at that graph at that point? And then you got your asymptote at negative 2. For the example I think I just gave, x plus 2. I think it's x plus 2 and x plus 4. And x plus 4 is on top. So 1 to the infinite power, 0 times infinity. If you add 0 infinite times, it is 0. Proving that. Can you divide by 0? Rules. Calculus. 1, 2, 3. AB, BC. AP class.